Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to look at this room. Look, we tore it apart. It's been a rough couple of days. This is day 3 of a migraine for me, and I've spent a lot of time in bed, and it's also the first cold spell we've had. So we have extra blankets on the bed, and it's the first time the heat's been on too. So once the heat kicked in, then we tore the blanket apart, tore the bed apart, trying to get the extra blankets back off. So everything is kind of a mess in here. So I need to clean in here. I need to make the bed. I need to get some laundry started. Normally I do the laundry on Fridays, but I did not do the laundry yesterday. I spent almost all day in bed. So I need to get the laundry started, and I want to clean the linen closet in my bathroom. It's not bad, but it's getting pretty messed up. I'm trying to get out of the glare of the bathroom light. So it's pretty messed up and disorderly, and I just want to take everything out and sort through it and kind of tidy it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to open the curtains, let some light in, even though I don't really want the light in, but I'm going to let the light in, make the bed, start the laundry, and then we'll hit that that linen closet.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
I'm going to set the sorted baskets of dirty clothes out in the hallway so the bed is free for me to bring the things out of the linen closet and put them on the bed and clean them up, sort them out, fold them up properly, and get them all organized. Okay, we are inside my very tiny master bathroom, and this is the linen closet, and it's pretty small, and it houses a collection of things, but usually the only thing we use it for are sheets, towels, and then the stuff that I need to get ready. So makeup, blow dryer, hairbrushes, that sort of thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through the makeup, because I have a lot of makeup that I don't even use in there, and there's no reason for it. So, and the container that I keep my makeup in is overflowing because it's full of stuff I don't use. So I'm just going to I'm going to sort through and get rid of the things that I don't use anymore. So this is my linen closet. My bathrobe hangs on a 3M command hook on the inside of the door. You can see it has a lot of space really for the size of the closet. It just isn't being well utilized. So I'm only going to keep the things that I actually use. So this is my CoverGirl foundation. My one brush that really needs to be replaced, but it's all I have. This is a glitter bronzer that I used to use quite a bit. As you can see, one palette is almost empty, or one pan is almost empty, and the other two are scraping the bottom, and I haven't used it for probably 6 months, so I'm throwing it away. My mascara, my CoverGirl blush. This is a bronzer, CoverGirl bronzer that I do use, so I am going to keep it. Occasionally I will use this, not very often, and my eyebrow pencil. My eyeliner pencil, my sharpener, highlighter, concealer, every girl's best friend, Almost empty concealer. Almost empty concealer. I have no idea how old this is or what it came with. I don't think I've ever used it. Green concealer, which only makes me look like I have the flu. White eyeliner, don't even ask, I don't know. The brush and the gel, I need a new brush obviously, this needs wash, but I do occasionally use the gel eyeliner. This broke off of an eyeliner pencil. And the very stub of an eyeliner pencil. So that's that. I'm just gonna give that a tap and put everything back in here. And that's much better. So when I get ready in the morning or when I'm going somewhere, I just grab this out, set it on the counter, do my hair, do my makeup, and put this back away. I don't leave things out on the counter. As you can see, I have very little counter space. So my tip to you is no matter what, always take that extra 30 seconds to put your stuff away when you're done using it. It makes a world of difference. This is my makeup remover, so I'll leave that with that. So let's look at what we've got in here. A variety of brushes. The lid to the makeup bronzer that I don't use. I have no idea why there's a cloth in there. I do keep, I got hair on there. I do keep any conditioner from any type of hair color because it's great to condition your hair even if you're not using that. And then I've got a couple of ratting or teasing brushes and combs. And these are the things I use every day. So I'll put this in with the shampoo in my shower, but this is a good product to have. More combs, I always have brushes. I picked this up to do my eyebrows and so on and haven't even opened it yet, so I need to do something with that, but okay. My argan oil for my hair. I'm a Tresemme girl. I like my mist and my hairspray. A bronzer I didn't even know was there, or not a bronzer, a blush I didn't even know was in there. I don't use it. Hair wax that's gone bad, so I'm getting rid of that. I use these when my hair is really annoying me. You can pull them back and get your hair completely out of your way. It's great when your hair is like my length and you're growing it out, but it's too short for a ponytail. Makeup and medicine and antacids. There's another one of those that's just come loose. We'll put that in there. I need a bigger container for my hair products. So what I'm going to do now is start taking things out of the closet and putting them into the basket. So I'm making one trip out of the bathroom versus multiple trips back and forth. It's just easier. And then I have everything all in one swoop and the closet is empty.
You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up.
I don't even know why. I don't know.
You move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like.
This is one of those window insulation kits that we had for our son's bedroom when the seal around his window got broken. I don't know why it's in my linen closet, but it doesn't need to be there. And this is the bed skirt to the bed. I need to cut this apart and find a way to attach it to the actual bedspread. So it is staying in the linen closet. So I'm going to put this back on the bottom shelf where it was. And I'm going to put the bath towels that go in this bathroom in the closet. These are extra hand towels for this bathroom, so I'm going to put one in the closet and hang one up. The pillowcases can go back in there also. First aid products left over from multiple leg surgery and knee surgeries. But I believe these should be in the linen closet in the bathroom, so I will put those back. So these items I need to find a new home for when I do the the laundry closet. I don't know if I'll get to that today, but these are all cleaning rags. These are all cleaning rags. That is a lace runner. I don't know that I'll even use anymore. And those should also go in the laundry closet. Those are the tablecloths that we use. They're fitted sheets that we use to put over the tables when we eat in the garage. So let's take a look at the linen closet now. As you can see, that's quite a difference. So I have the first aid items on the top shelf and the hair appliances that I don't use very often on the top shelf. This middle shelf is right at eye level, so this is my makeup, this is my makeup remover, and these are the medicines that we either use daily or regularly. On the next shelf is all of my hair products, so the argan oil, the mousse, the hairspray, a thing of lotion that I use sometimes, my blow dryer, and all of my hair brushes and hair apparatus, clips, bands, that sort of thing. Next are all the towels properly folded, except for that bottom one got wadded up again, so I'll have to tidy him up. And then on that bottom shelf is the pillowcases, the extra hand towel that goes in here, and the bed sheets. So let's just tidy up. The bottom of this towel got kind of wadded up when I put the towel away. And there's the linen closet, all tidy and clean, organized, and no longer a complete disaster. And as you can see, it's a much better use of space. And as you can see, we have a lot of space in this closet. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll talk soon.